adventure. We are in Target. We got some sugar and some flour and some oil and some pudding and some awkwardly matching dew. Can you scream homo?
No. I need to try.
I was kidding. Dude, everyone is matching today. Like, what the heck?
I don't know.
You got some matching people right there.
So.
Oh! That's my jam. Stuff is good. I'm coming.
Okay.
Don't rush me, woman. Candy. Candy. Dude, Peeps.
You can get one piece. One.
Getting some Peeps. Some purple Peeps.
You getting purple piece?
Yeah. Baby. My voice went all Darth Vader for a second. Oh, 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 there's Spider-Man. And then we got some Batman. And some Angry Birds and some Yoda and some Elmo. Got some Milk Duds over there.
They're 2 for $5.
I know, that's how much my Peeps were. Actually, my Peeps were 2 for $3. So Walmart adventure.
Do you have a tablecloth anywhere?
Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to a very distant land. Jake the dog and Finn the human and fun will never end. Adventure time. No. But they got some fluffy stuff. It's called cotton candy. And they got a whole bunch of wine. Oh, can I get that?
Why? Just so you can feel the bump?
Yep. So I can touch my future husband's abs.
Well, that's not going to be Justin Bieber.
You said his name wrong. You said his name wrong. His name is Justin Bieber, not Beaver.
Who cares? He's still a Bieber.
That's mean.
Okay, buy your food. Thank you.
Justin Bieber. So, guys, this is Target. That's a baby. Oh, he's wearing a tux. Some Barbies right there, guys. Oh, we got some baby clothes. We got some TV. We got a baby. Got some cameras. Gonna save my comments until we're past. We got some boxers. Perry the Platypus and some Angry Birds. That's stylish. It's fancy. Oh no.
There's your leggings.
Those are jeggings.
Jeggings.
Those, you don't wear those with anything else. They look like pants. And they're what sluts and whores wear. Oh.
You could wear that underneath your pants.
Got some bras. Some granny pants. Some baby clothes. Some more granny pants. Some more bras. Oh, shoes. Oh, they have cowboy boots. Oh, guess where I will be. Yeah, you know, some Trace Adkins, some Toby Keith. Kenny Chesney?
No.
No?
No.
Why not Kenny Chesney?
No.
He has a nice body though.
No.
But he does.
Okay, I don't see what I'm looking for.
I do. I found cowboy boots.
Yeah. Come on. Can get cows later.
Boy, cow. I can get cow later.
Yeah.
Who let the cows out of the barn? Your barnyard door is open.
Did you find a dress for a
Bathing suit. I want a bathing suit. So, we got some shorts. This video is 7 minutes long. And I'm gonna go now.